Hi guys, so we have an O-level past paper question from the year 2017. The session is May-June. This is question number 10. This question is based on bearings and geometric constructions. So let's start. In the question, they've given us point A with the north direction over there. The question reads, the diagram shows the position of point A. Point B is 8 centimeters from A on a bearing of 062 degrees. Point C is 6.5 centimeters from A on a bearing of 194 degrees. Part A1 says find and label B and C. Now in order to find B, that means we need to measure the angle from here to be 62 degrees. So an easier way of doing this is if you subtract 62 from 90, you would get 28 degrees. So on the protractor, it will be easier for us to measure. So let's see where 28 degrees is. 28 degrees is going to be somewhere around here. Okay, so this point would be connected through this point with the straight line that measures 8 centimeters. So let's see where that is. So 8 centimeters starts from here. Okay, and it goes all the way till here. So this line is 8 centimeters. This is point B. The next is point C, which is 194 degrees from A. That means if you extend this line, further below, this entire angle would be 180 degrees. But you need to go 14 degrees above this. So what you can do is, you can again put your protractor over here and measure 14 degrees after this 180 degree mark. So it would be somewhere around here. I hope this is visible. If this is around here and we need to draw a line that is 6.5 centimeters in length, you extend it from point A all the way to 6.5 centimeters over here. Okay, so this line and this point is point C. So we are done with part 1. Part A2 says, before part A2, it says point D is the point on BC such that it is the shortest distance from A. Find and label D. Now this is an easy question. So first of all, let's draw the line BC. Let's complete this line like this. Okay. Once we've completed this line, we need to figure out a way to find D being on the shortest distance from A. That means it needs to be perpendicular. Now in order for it to be perpendicular, you will need this angle right here to make a 90 degree angle with this line. So this right here makes a 90 degree angle with point A. So that means I can put a mark over here and just extend a line through A and this point onto point D. So this right here would be point D. Okay, so we're done with this part as well. The next part says measure AD. Okay, we need to measure this line over here. How do we do that? Again, we pull out our scales. So we put this over here and D is going to be 3 centimeters. Okay, so we write 3 over here. The next part says, by taking measurements, find the ratio CD is to DB. Give your answer in the form 1 is to N. Okay, so first of all, we need to find the length of CD and then the length of DB. So let's do that. The length of CD, if you measure it from this point right here, would be somewhere around 5.7. This is 5.7. Okay, and the length over here of DB would be 7.5. Okay, so we have the length, we need to measure the ratio between them. So if 5.7 is to 7.5, then 1 is to what, or the value of N is what? So we divide 7.5 by 7.5 by 5.7 and we get the value of this N right here. So 7.5 divided by 5.7 is going to be 1.32. So the ratio is 1.1 is to 1.32. Okay. The next part says the area of triangle ADB is W centimeter squared. Give your answer in terms of W. Find the area of triangle ADC. They've asked us to find the area of this triangle ADC. I hope this is visible. Okay. So if the length of CD and DB are in the ratio 1 is to n, or sorry, not 1 is to n anymore, it is 1 is to 1.32. I hope this is visible. If they are in the ratio 1 is to 1.32, that means that if ADB is W centimeter square and we need to find the area of ADC, okay, which is unknown, we divide 1W over here because that is the length of DB by the length or the ratio 1.32 and we get the area of ADC. So the area of ADC would be 1 divided by 1.32, which gives us 0.76 W centimeter squared. So we write our values over here, 0.76 W centimeters squared. I hope this made sense. Okay, let's move on. The next part says the diagram shows the position of AEF. One second. Okay, first of all, here's a look at the triangle that we have. Then the question says the diagram shows the positions of A, E and F. Construct and shade the region inside the triangle AEF that is less than 6 centimeters from E, nearer to AF, then to AE, nearer to A, then to F. Okay, for this you need your compass. What you need to do is you need to take your compass and open it up to 6 centimeters like this. Okay. Now, since you've opened this up to 6 centimeters, what you need to do is you need to draw an arc. Sorry, like this. 1 second. This is so bad. Okay, draw an arc like this. Now, this is supposed to be 6 centimeters, under 6 centimeters. Once again, let me check if my compass was correct. Yeah, slightly a bit off, but you get the idea, right? If you put your compass over here and draw an arc of 6 centimeters, that means all this region below this arc or above this arc, whatever you may say, is nearer to E than 6 centimeters. Okay. Then it says nearer to AF than to AE. So for this, what you need to do is, since it is nearer to AF than to AE, you need to draw the angle bisector of EAF. How do you do that? So you take your compass. I hope this is visible. You take your compass, you draw an arc over here. Okay, then you open your compass, put it over here. 1 second. And draw an arc over here. And another arc over here. And then you connect this with this point A. So you have your angle bisector. Okay, let's extend this so that we have more space to cover. 1 second. Now, you get the idea. Now the next part says nearer to A than to F. So for this part, what you need to do is you need to draw the perpendicular bisector of AF. So what you do is you open up your arc you open up your compass a little more than the center. You draw an arc over here, draw another arc over here. Okay, 1 second. Then you do the same without moving your length of the compass. You change its position, put it at A, draw an arc over here, and draw another arc over here. Okay, I hope this was visible. The next thing you do is you connect these 2 points. 1 second. You connect this point with this point right here. 1 second. With this point right here. Okay. So you have this area inside this shape, which looks like sort of a sector or like a half-baked triangle. this would be the area that would be shaded. All this area right here. I hope this is visible, and I hope the question made sense. I tried my best. And we're done. I hope the question made sense. The complete working of the entire question is present in the description below for you to download. If you like this video, hit the subscribe button, and thank you so much for watching.